Welcome to the AKKO Partner Platform. This is the homepage for the partner platform where you can sign up to become a partner. Before signing up, we recommend that you go through some of the information on this page. We have a how it works for each of our different plans with pricing breakdowns for our phone only plan and our everything protected plan. We also have a bunch of FAQs on this page that gives you an overview of exactly what AKKO is, what's covered, and what you need to know before you start selling plans and accepting repairs. When you're finished reviewing the FAQs and the information on this page, come up to the top menu bar and click Register Now. This will bring you to a window to enter your information and sign up. We'll go through this together just so you can see what that looks like. You can fill in your business name and your website if you have one. Fill in your name, your cell phone number, your email. Select how you heard about AKKO. We'll say on Google, for instance. We only offer partnerships to stores in the United States or Canada at the moment, so select which of those two countries that you are in and select which type of store this location is. For example, we'll use electronic repair. We have one more page before signing up. Again, you have some information already filled in. Your website, if you have one, fill that in. You need to have a registered Google business location before signing up. This helps verify that the locations that are signing up are an authentic business for our end, and it'll also help us plug into our database where your store is so that in case someone needs to find you, they can do that easily. This test store doesn't have a location, but for this example, I'll use a local grocery store. Enter that phone number again, and select whether or not this store offers repairs. If you do offer repairs, select any types of repairs that apply. Maybe we'll say this store just repairs phones. If you have any more properties to add under this same business, click Add Another Property. However, if that is all for now, click Save Properties. And then fill in your PayPal email. And boom, just like that, you're in. When you get into the partner portal, you can update your password by clicking that first option that comes up. Enter your new passwords, and then click Update, and you're all set to go.